CS33 has been committed to the enhancement and optimization of SAP real estate management. CS33's mission is to provide ready-to-run solutions that give immediate access to additional functions. We believe in innovations that make simplification, efficiency, and comfort possible.
A perfect example of this is the CS336 Automatic Leasing Contract Valuation, which offers a seamless integration of the IFRS16 valuation process with SAP. This add-on rids you of the hassle of entering the parameters of the valuation rules because all parameters are fully automatically generated. Very little effort is required to maintain the master data of the contract. Master data can be entered manually with SAP Direct Import or uploaded. With this minimum amount of data entry, you will discover in this video how the add-on automatically generates the parameters of the valuation rules. The lease contract is immediately ready to be posted to the right of use asset, liability, and interest and depreciation. To discover the functionalities of the add-on, we will create an SAP Lease Contract. After having selected the contract type, assign a partner and enter the term of the contract. Next, give the contract a name, for example, Automatic Leasing Contract Valuation with CS336. At this point, assign the contract item in the tab object by choosing, for example, the object type Contract Object, and entering the contract item designation, and finally, the cost object. After having chosen the condition type, in this example, finance rate, complete the entire process by entering the price. Now let us look at the valuation parameters. No worries, since the contract has not yet been activated, the tab is still empty. In order to automatically obtain the valuation parameters from the add-on, simply activate and store the contract. By activating and storing the contract, the add-on CS336 automatically generates all valuation parameters according to the organization's customized settings of the valuation rules. As required for an IFRS16 valuation rule and based on the customer settings, the add-on automatically generates all of the following fields: the right of use asset, the start of consideration, the first posting, the probable end, the interest rate, finally, the account assignment. A second valuation rule, Local-GAAP, has also been created based on the customer settings. The add-on automatically generates all of the following fields: the start of consideration, first posting, and the account assignment. In addition, the add-on automatically sets the rule for the valuation status to complete. Now that all fields have been properly set, let us check the result of the Valuation tab on the calculated values for the valuation rule IFRS16. Perfect. In the Asset tab, we can see the correct result of the value asset. And in the Depreciation tab, the remaining value 0 at the end of 2023. The result with 0.19% interest is also correct. Now let's briefly check the result of the calculated values for the Local-GAAP valuation rule. As expected, at the end of 2023, the transfer posted is $14,400. Since the cash flow of the calculated values has not yet been posted, let's post them and create the FI documents. As expected, the valuation rule IFRS has been processed with the posting procedure Asset Posting, Interest Posting, and Clearing Posting, and the Local-GAAP has been selected for the posting procedure Transfer. And finally, the finance documents themselves. After the valuation has been successfully posted, go back to the General Data tab to see the outcome of the field Valuation Relevance, which has also been automatically determined based on the customer's settings. Now we reach the most challenging aspect of the add-on, the automatic creation of a valuation rule time slice. This happens when data changed in the contract affects the valuation. For example, change the contract end date to the end of 2025 and simply save the changes. Now let's go to the Valuation Parameters tab to check whether the add-on properly processed the data. Great! As expected, the add-on automatically ended the current valuation parameters at the end of June and created a new time slice from the 1st of July. At the same time, it correctly generated all of the following fields: the start of consideration, the interest rate, valuation behavior, even the value of the memo field, term changed. The user will certainly appreciate this since it enables one to easily find the reason for the creation of the time slice. Like the IFRS rule, the Local-GAAP has also been processed and automatically generates all of the following fields: the start of consideration and the field memo. At this point, let us check the result of the Valuation tab again. Excellent! We get a new entry with the start of consideration dated the 1st of July, and in the calculated values, we can see the new asset value, the new depreciation, the new clearing, and the new interest at the end of 2025. Creating and changing contract data is as simple as that. The complete automation keeps the parameters of the right-of-use assets and lease liabilities permanently up to date and synchronized. Furthermore, the add-on ensures higher master data quality, and consequently, a significant increase in productivity through the automatic valuation processing is guaranteed.